Now, about the existence of these similarities between Kongo spirituality and Hebrew, Yiseka'yah reports the following. A lady of Nzala, who was Mumbanda Lemba, told me this. It is astonishing to see that what I have been taught at Lemba was one of the initiatory schools in the Kingdom of Congo, about Nzambi is seen also in the church of the Jesuits, the Catholic Church. According to Yiseka'yah, these similarities accounts for the quick reception of Christianity by the Congo tribesmen. These similarities became obvious to missionaries like Carpenter, who wrote that Congo tribal life is closely akin to that of the ancient Hebrews, and much that is far removed from our own Western experience is clear and natural to the Congolese. Carpenter didn't give details about the nature of these similarities, but he pointed out that more than one missionary has remarked that he understood the Old Testament far better after a term in Kongo. What? Yes, he said more than one missionary has remarked that he understood the Old Testament far better after a term in Kongo than ever before. This last affirmation shows that the similarities had something to do with the religious teachings and practices of the Kongo people. What the Congo people were practicing and their religious beliefs and teachings were like a mirror of the Old Testament.